this part of my practice really is a subsect of personal injury. I guess technically you'd call me in that respect like a PI lawyer, okay? Although I don't see myself that way. I'm not an ambulance.
You're not chasing.
You're not
to knock them because
no, not to knock them. I want your mediation.
No, but you're not dealing with car accidents. You're not dealing with slip.
Right. I don't deal with car accidents, slip and fall.
Right.
We do deal with negligent security. That is a consideration.
Well, like unlit parking lots and all that kind of stuff.
That might be a circumstance.
I'm using just an example.
There can be corporate liability in different respects.
Sure.
I'm not going to talk about any of my cases.
No, you shouldn't.
Yeah,
I wouldn't let you.
I find that to be very tacky, to be honest.
No, both of us subscribe. Just so you know, Brian and I both subscribe to the thought that we don't try our cases in the media.
No, absolutely
and
not.
Some lawyers that do it, and that's power to you, but it's a full.
The people that have to try their case in the media, I find, are typically desperate, and it's because they can't try them in the courtroom. But that's okay.
Right.
That's neither here nor there.
I guess it's a tactic,
Right. Yeah. Listen, to each their own.
Right.
But in any event, my clients are individuals that come to me, and I guess the way I describe it, I'm kind of like a civil prosecutor.
Right, because people, just real quick, just keep your thought process, but what people don't get, sometimes people come to me like, hey, do you handle this? Prosecutors prosecute crimes, federal and state, right? That's their job. So sexual assault, that's a crime. That's going to be prosecuted. Brian is in the realm of, not just prosecution. This is, I'm going to go after you and your company for allowing this or doing this or whatever it may be. So just give me a little bit of context there.
Quote unquote, like a civil prosecutor. What does a criminal prosecutor do? Well,
right.
They're litigating to take someone's freedom
right.
in one respect or another,
right.
whether they're looking to incarcerate a person, slap them with a conviction that changed their life, put them on probation, they're supervised, right? So a state criminal prosecutor seeks criminal penalties.
Right.
I see myself as a civil prosecutor pursuing civil penalty. So how does that translate to? Well, the way our system of justice is set up, when you wrong a person, they're entitled to seek damages from you, okay? If you crash your car into me, you owe me to fix my car.
Right.
And to pay for my damages to my body if I'm injured, right? There's also a thing called punitive damages, where the law recognizes that some acts are so heinous and so atrocious that the victim is entitled to a punishment on you, a monetary punishment. So my role as a quote-unquote civil prosecutor representing victims of sexual assault, I seek damage claims and also punitive damages. And if you don't understand that, I would say put yourself in the position of someone who was raped.
Right.
How do you ever make that right?